Today, I'm diving deep into analyzing the latest trends in space stocks, and I'm challenging myself to predict where they'll go next. Space stock analysis is more relevant than ever in today's market, with the space industry rapidly evolving and attracting significant investor attention. As more companies venture into space exploration and technology, understanding the performance and potential of space stocks becomes crucial for anyone looking to make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, staying ahead of the curve in the space sector can give you a significant edge. The space industry is not without its challenges, and space stock is no exception. Market volatility plays a significant role, with stock prices often fluctuating based on geopolitical tensions, regulatory changes, and technological breakthroughs. Another challenge comes from the competitive landscape, with established players like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, as well as newer entrants like Virgin Galactic, all vying for market share. Furthermore, the high costs associated with space exploration and technology development can pose significant financial risks to companies in the sector. Additionally, regulatory hurdles can also impact the growth and profitability of space companies. Space's recent performance has been a mixed bag, with the company experiencing both highs and lows. Financially, Space has shown resilience, with steady revenue growth driven by its diversified portfolio of space technology and services. However, recent news about delays in key projects and concerns over supply chain disruptions have raised some red flags among investors. On a positive note, Space's commitment to innovation, including advancements in reusable launch systems and satellite technology, positions it well for long-term success. Moreover, strategic partnerships with other industry leaders have further bolstered its market position. One of the most compelling insights regarding space stock right now is the anticipation surrounding its upcoming satellite launch event. This event is expected to showcase cutting-edge technology that could revolutionize satellite communications and further establish Space as a leader in the field. Such a significant milestone could serve as a major catalyst for the stock, potentially leading to increased investor confidence and a positive impact on its valuation. Moreover, the success of this launch could pave the way for future projects, enhancing Space's growth prospects. To summarize, space stock presents a complex but intriguing opportunity for investors, with both challenges and catalysts at play. From market volatility and competition to technological advancements and strategic partnerships, there are multiple factors that could influence its future performance. If you've been following the space sector or have thoughts on space stock, I'd love to hear from you. Drop your insights in the comments below. For more stock analysis and market insights, be sure to check out my other videos.